Oftentimes, we take what's around us for granted. Regardless of what the long-term effects may be, regardless of what we leave our children behind, while overlooking how it will affect our planet. This is where we come in, a company that cares about you and also about the planet we live in. We at Oriental Eco Woods believe in green energy. We use wood waste and recycled components as raw material. Then it is processed into powder. With the use of advanced technology and state-of-the-art production facilities, we engineer our products. We create something out of responsibility, out of love for our future generations. Tested in every possible way to ensure high-quality products. Waterproof. After 1 week, after 1 month, was it even put underwater? Stronger than supposedly, termite-proof. We ensure minimal wastage, maximum efficiency, and the highest quality. Stronger than traditional wood. We have 4 different categories of doors, suitable for each and every room. We also have timber tubes, which can be used for decorating your home or your office. Composite wooden boards, which can be used just like regular wood for conventional purposes such as furniture and interior design, and door frames that can be used with either eco wood doors or regular doors. We are happy to create something better for you and the planet. So, what are you waiting for? Contact our sales center today